Thanks for tuning in to PR's Realm. We're here with another edition of What's Inside. Previously, you should have seen a video called What's Inside the Asus Tablet Part 1. That was an older tablet, a bigger tablet. This is slightly newer, but still old. This is the Asus Memo Pad 7. As you see, the tablet looks pretty new. It has its box, it has its paperwork, it has the adapter and the charger, but unfortunately it doesn't work. It was donated to me by my mother. She bought a new tablet after this one broke. She's not too sure how it broke, but she did have this for quite some time and said it was a pretty good tablet, especially for the price. But today, we're not worried about what's good and what's not. We're worried about what's inside. Prior to performing this microsurgery, I had to plug it in, just give it one last test, make sure it definitely was broken. Because if for some reason it worked, I wouldn't want to break it. First thing I'm going to do is get it open. And just in case you're unsure how to do that, if you've ever opened any phone, it's the same process with these tablets. So let me get it open, the first layer, and we'll see what's there, and we'll work our way down. For anyone unsure as to what I meant by how you pop open phones, I wouldn't recommend using a screwdriver like I'm doing, but since I already know this is broken, I'm using a screwdriver. I believe they have special tools that are made to get these open, and that's why a lot of times it's recommended that you actually go to a service shop, because most likely prying it open yourself is going to cause some damage. But this is how we do it. Okay, so I got it open and I noticed something interesting. The battery pack wasn't even plugged in. So before I go any further, I'm going to plug this back in, and maybe that's the only problem, but let's see. Well, I plugged back in the battery pack and I put it back on. Now the tablet is working, it's going on. I may have found the issue here, and this video has taken a totally new turn. Okay, let's try something on here. Let's go camera. The battery is running low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video, let this charge, and I'm going to get back to it to see if I fix the issue. Okay, so I had the tablet plugged in for a few hours. It was fully charged. I went through it. Everything was in working condition. It has social media. It has a ton of games. It has various security programs. So I cleaned the tablet, the cache, the history, any viruses were scanned for. Everything checked out A-OK. The only thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out certain apps that I no longer want and add some apps that I do want. I also went to settings and I changed the settings. So thanks for watching the video. I appreciate your support. Keep watching the videos. If you aren't already, make sure you subscribe. Hit the like button. Check out my other videos. Leave a comment. Tell me if you want to see more of these videos. If you have anything you want to share, leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching PR's Realm. www.youtube.com/PRSREALM.